How authors really make money on YouTube. It's not just book sales. Most authors believe YouTube only pays through ads. That's a mistake, and it's costing writers thousands of dollars a year. YouTube isn't just a video platform. It's a full monetization ecosystem. And when authors understand the system, their book becomes the engine, not the only product. In this video, I'm going to break down every major way authors and self-publishers can monetize YouTube, and how these income streams work together to create a sustainable revenue source for your creative work. Here's the truth. Your book is not the business. Your voice is. YouTube allows authors to turn their knowledge, stories, and expertise into multiple income streams, many of which earn more than book royalties alone. YouTube empowers creators to transform their knowledge, stories, and expertise into diverse income streams. Many of these streams can surpass the earnings from traditional book royalties, offering authors a more lucrative and dynamic platform for their work. Let's walk through the system. First is YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel qualifies, YouTube places ads on your videos and shorts. This creates passive income from interviews, readings, lessons, and evergreen content. Next are YouTube Shorts. Short-form videos dramatically increase discovery, bringing new readers into your ecosystem while also generating ad revenue. This layer builds reach and baseline income, but it's only the foundation. The next layer is direct audience support. Channel memberships allow readers to support you monthly in exchange for exclusive content, early access, or private discussions. Then there are super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. These let viewers financially support your work during live readings, Q&A sessions, or premieres, turning engagement into income in real time. Now we move into the most powerful layer, direct sales. YouTube Shopping allows authors to sell books, journals, and merchandise directly from their channel. Beyond that, YouTube becomes a traffic engine for book sales, courses and masterclasses, coaching and consulting, speaking engagements, digital products like journals and workbooks. Instead of sending readers to third-party platforms, you build your own sales pipeline. This is where profit margins grow. Layer 4. Partnerships and affiliates. Authors can also monetize through affiliate marketing. By recommending writing tools, publishing services, books, and software, authors earn commissions without creating new products. Then there are brand deals and sponsorships. As your channel grows, companies in publishing, education, and lifestyle niches will pay to access your audience. This turns your authority into leverage. Layer 5. Content licensing. Advanced authors go even further. They license their content, teachings, or frameworks to schools, platforms, and organizations. They repurpose interviews, teachings, or viral clips for media use. This creates income that isn't tied to views or time. So here's the system in one sentence. YouTube turns authors into media brands into communities, and communities into multiple income streams. Your book opens the door, but YouTube builds the house. If you're an author ready to stop relying on book sales alone, this is the system that changes everything. Free consultation. If you want help building this system for your book, request a free consultation and learn how to turn your voice into influence and your influence into income.